Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. Today I will be doing a sew-in weave that's gonna be a little bit challenging because my client came with one pack of Sally's hair. One pack of Sally's hair for the whole head. So yeah, that's gonna be my challenge for today. Keep watching, and for the new people, if you haven't already, subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. I can also be followed at Hair by Lola on Facebook and Lola underscore Chantel 65 on Instagram. Keep watching so you can see how I did this quick weave. It's not really a quick weave, but it was quick because I had to work with what I had. I had one pack of hair, so I had to spread the tracks out. What is the word for it? Simultaneously? No, not that word. Sparingly. Sparingly is the word I'm looking for. Okay, guys, I went on and shampooed the hair off camera and braided it off camera. As you can see now, I'm starting the bottom track, and I'm sewing that under the first braid, and then I sew it going across again on top of the same braid to give it the look of the track being doubled. Yeah, and I am working and trying my hardest to make sure that I have enough hair for this whole weave because, like I said, it was one pack of hair. So I think I did pretty good. Keep watching so you can see how I got it all worked out. Y'all, if my son walked in this room one more time, ooh, I just felt like knocking him out. He just kept coming in. Whew. But you know how your kids are. You know how they are. He a grown-ass kid, too. Let's just say grown-ass man. He's a grown-ass man. I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies. Okay, guys, I forgot to say that I can be followed on Facebook at Hair by Lola, on YouTube, Lola Chantel, on Instagram, Lola underscore Chantel 65, and on Twitter, Lola Chantel 1. Oh yeah, I forgot to add that I did not cut the track whatsoever. I just took it back and forth and back and forth and back and back and back and forth. And let me tell you guys, it took me only about, to do the whole complete head, it only took me about 45 minutes, like from the braiding to the finishing of the sewing the hair on. About 45 minutes. So I guess you can say this is a quick weave, but not a quick weave. What y'all think? Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and la sex. And hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best, where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that. And right here, when I get to the front, I take the track up the braid, the front braid, and then I bring it back, and I take it up a little bit further than I usually do because, like I said, I was working with one pack of hair and I wanted to make sure she had enough hair to cover all of her braids. You guys, I'm really not a fan of Sally's hair because it always feels like it's a blend. But this pack was okay. It wasn't the best. It was okay. And I was surprised that it was as good as it was. But hey, we worked with what we had and it came out really good. And the hair felt pretty good also. I got family in high places like Jesus, niece. Can I please say my piece? If y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of Pete Rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. And as you see right here, I'm going back towards the front again. I'm swooping that track up, and then I'm flipping it back over. And it worked out pretty well because the tracks are really, really thin, so I knew it wouldn't be bulky. But right about here, it looked like you could see through the track, and I wasn't really worried about that because I know I had to go around a couple more times with the hair, and I hadn't combed through it. And usually I comb every time I go around, I comb through each row that I put in. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. But you guys will see when I come back around, all that you guys are seeing right there, you won't be able to see it.
And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess.
Yo, am I working this one pack of hair or what? Okay, you wouldn't even know it was one pack of hair. I spread that all around, in between, everywhere, you guys. Yes. Yeah, I'm relieved now because I got towards the top and I know I have enough. But I did space it a lot. However, I made it work. My client was happy. I made it work. Hey, 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 hey.
Don't be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly. And still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie. And for them fake boobies, I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nikki, he tried to get him a clone. He said, yeah, you know you got extra hoes and everything you do with extra clothes.
Yeah, look at how smooth that is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And there was a little part right here that was sticking up a little bit. So I went right back in with the needle and pulled that down. Should I say secured that down so it wasn't sticking up like that. So that would really, really bother me. Now, of course, I'm just flat ironing her hair, and I didn't press it or anything. I didn't have to because it was conditioned really well, and as you can see, it has a shine on it already, and I haven't put anything on it, for shine. So, but that heat right there with that good conditioner, yeah, it's making that hair blend right on in, you guys. Here comes D'Angelo. Look, rubbing his belly. Look at him. Go on, D'Angelo. Go sit down somewhere. It ain't your turn yet. His name ain't D'Angelo, you guys. I just called him that because he came in without a shirt and sweats on. Actually, now is where I'm going back in and I'm sewing that little part out that was sticking up. I'm sewing that down a little bit tighter, adjusting it so it won't be all funny looking and stuff. When I finished flat iron, I wanted to cut it and make it like blunt across the bottom, but we got to give the client what they want, and she didn't want any of it cut, so I just went in with that Proclaim edge control and did a little bit of baby hair for her. If you guys notice, when I was blow drying her hair, before I blow dried it looked like it was super, super thick, but it's not thick, and she considers her hair thin, and it's not thin. It's like the perfect texture. That's that easy to do hair. I got family in high places like Jesus.
niece, niece, can I please say my piece? If y'all fresh to death, then I'm deceased. And this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of Pete Rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love, so I switch my girl.
Look, he had to come back in, rushing because he thought he was about to get his hair done right then and there. Just had to come in rushing. And I felt like stabbing him with the comb. You got look at him, look at him. Go on somewhere. Go on, son, go somewhere. Oh my goodness. No, is he just gonna hand my client her glasses? Oh, because she couldn't see her hair. Oh my god, that's so nice of you, son. But I'm gonna need you to go somewhere and sit. The whole time I was on her, I could not get her to sit up straight in the chair. She just kept going with that gangster lean. But anyway, you guys, thank you for watching this video. And like I said, this is a quick weave, but not actually a quick weave. It just got done real quick. Hope you guys liked it. Look at him still over there looking, just waiting patiently for his turn, impatiently for his turn. Okay, anyway, hope you guys liked this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. I can also be followed on Facebook at Hair by Lola, on Instagram on Lola_Chantel65, and of course on YouTube, Lola Chantel. Once again, thank you guys for watching, and as always, stay blessed.